Hello everyone, in this video we are going to write a Java program on where we are going to find the perfect number within the range of 1 to 50. So we'll start off with the main method. Inside it we are going to declare the variables of data type integer, and we are going to initialize the total as 0. Now we are going to introduce the for loop where if the number is equal to 1 and it's equal to or less than 50, then it would be incremented, and inside the for loop we are going to include the if statement where if the number is not equal to 1 and the total is equal to the number minus 1, then it would print out that the particular number is a perfect number. Then we are going to include the for loop. Inside it we are going to make if a divider which is of integer data type is equal to 1 and the divider is lesser than the number, then the divider would go on incremented, so it would check the numbers which are divisible by that particular digit. Now inside that for loop we are going to include another if conditional statement where it would check whether the number mod divider is equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, then it would state that the total is equal to whatever total is there plus the divider. So like this we are going to find out the perfect number. So we are going to run the program. So we can see that the perfect numbers that are ranged between 1 to 50 are 6 and 28. So this is the first with this I would conclude the first program. The second one, which is to be followed, is to find what the Armstrong numbers within the range of 1 to 500. So actually 1 to 100 no, okay, that. So here we are going to include the main method. Inside it we are going to initialize or declare the variables which are n, b and sum. We are going to initialize the sum as 0. Then we are going to include the for loop where here. Then we are going to assign n is equal to 1, and while n is more than 0 we are going to run the while loop. Here b would be equal to n mod 10 and the sum would be whatever sum is previously loaded plus the cube of the value b, and then we are going to divide the n by 10. So following the while loop we are going to include a if statement whether the sum is equal to I. If it is, then it's going to print out following the Armstrong numbers from 1 to 500 is then whatever the numbers are matching sum equal to 1, then those numbers would be printed out. So like this the program would run. So we're going to execute the program. So here it's showing the Armstrong numbers from 1 to 500 1, 153, 370, 371 and 407. So with this I'm going to conclude this video. So thank you for watching.